Welcome back guys, I'm back with a brand new tutorial in the series of Python Beginner to Advanced is set. What is set in Python? So guys, you have must have learned or heard about set theory in the mathematics in 10th, 11th or 12th. So this set data types you can correlate or compare with the set theory. This data type set have some functionalities or concept related to set theory like superset, subset, intersection, union. All these functionalities are available in this SCT set data type in Python. Let's see. So set is an unordered collection of objects. So it is an unordered collection. That means items are inserted or arranged in the set in an unordered fashion. That means that if you have declared a set and you will try to display or print item of set, so it is not guaranteed that those items will be on the same position or not. Every set element is unique, no duplicate, and must be immutable, cannot be changed. That means that a set cannot have duplicate items like tuple or list, and it is immutable. That means once initialized you cannot change update value of item in set. However, set itself is mutable. We can add or remove item from it. So we cannot change the item. Items are immutable, but set is mutable. That means we can add more item to the set or we can remove any item from the set, but we cannot update the item in set. Python set class represent the mathematical notation of set, as I have already told you. Now we will see some practical examples of set. So there are a couple of ways to initialize a set. Very first way, I have initialized a variable user underscore set, and set equals to set. Set is the class name for set data type in Python. I will execute it and I will try to get the type of this user underscore set. Obviously it is set data type, that's why it's returning set, and currently set does not have any data, so this is blank. Another way to initialize a set, I am passing a list to a set, and by this way we can initialize or we may initialize a set. As you are seeing that the list have 4 items and this set has 4 items. Let's assume if this list have some items repetitive, 1 is repeating twice and 2 is repeating twice. So if I will execute this and try to print the user underscore set, then it will only display unique values from that particular list or that particular set. So set can have only unique values, no duplicated values, unlike list and tuple. We are initializing a user object and try to print the user. Here we are performing an adding operation. That means we are trying to add some item to pre-initialized user set. So we are adding one more item, or you can say one more string or name Kunal to set. If you will print this time, it have 4 items. Find out difference between two sets. Let's example, we have 2 sets and we are trying to see what is the difference between 2 sets, and set 1 have 1 2 3 4 5 6 as the values, and set 2 have 4 5 6 7 8. So we can see that in set 1 and set 2 there are 3 values 4 5 and 6 which are common, but in set 2 7 8 9 are values which are not in set 1, and 1 2 3 values which is in set 1 is not in set 2. So we see that set 1 dot difference set 2, it will return all the values which are present in the set 1 but not in set 2. And if we will try to print out set 2 dot set 1, then it will only print 7, 8, 9, because 7, 8, 9 are not present in set 1. Another method is discard method to remove any item from the set. So users to discard, and we will pass a value which we want to remove from the tuples. Oh, sorry, which we want to remove from the set. Okay, set intersection method. So what intersection method does, if you know that if there are two values like set 1 and set 2, so intersection try to print out the common values in both the set. So in set 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, and in set 2 we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of these within these two sets, values 4, 5, 6 are common in both the sets. So set 1 dot intersection set 2 will try to print the values which are common in both the set. Each set method try to print out or try to check that if a set A is a subset of set 2 or not. A subset means that if a set have values 1 to 10 and another set have values 1 to 5, then second set is a subset of first set, because first set had all the values which are in set 2. So here we are trying to check that set 1 is subset of set 2 or not. Yes, because all the values are which are in set 1 are present in set 2. It's true. Superset. Superset means that if a set have all the values, let's say we have set 1 4 5 6 and set 2 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we are trying to print out is set 2 is superset of set 1. That means all the items available in set 2 should be in set 1. It is not necessary, but all the items in set 1 should be in set 2. It is possible. So we are checking that set 2 is superset or not. Yes, because set 2 have 4 5 6 7 8 9 and set 1 have only 4 5 6. And if you will try to check the vice versa, then it will return the false. Another method is pop method. Pop method will remove item from the set. Like we have set 4 5 6 and set 1 dot pop. So it have removed 4 from the set, and now the set have only 5 and 6 as a value. Union method does that it will take all the values from both the sets. Like set 1 have 4 5 6 11 and set 2 have 4 5 6 7 8 9. That means if we'll try to do the union of set 1 and set 2, then we have values 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 11. It will union the values in set theory. So that's all about the set in Python. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.